Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we're going to be making some fun embellishments. I want to show you guys how I created these really fun embellishments for the Halloween series. I love how these turned out. They're so cute and so simple to create. I know I see that in all my videos. I gotta find new ways of like introducing this video because every single video I say the same thing. Okay, but I'm going to show you guys how to create these really fun embellishments using the one admission tickets. I thought these would be fun to create, and they're really simple, and I really like that I incorporated the candy corn in this particular project. So let's get started. Let me show you how to do this. I made a whole bunch of these because I want to use these for our Halloween party that we're gonna have at work. So I made a few of these to use, but I have here something I want to show you. So what you need to do is you need to get yourself these one admission tickets. Target has them. I bought some recently at Target, which are these really fun looking ones. I absolutely adore these. I love them. They're so much fun, these tickets, and I love the color of it. I also had I had bought these in the past. I've had a whole bunch of these that I bought. I think I thrifted these a few years ago, and they're perfect because they're orange and they just really work well for this project. Okay, the Dollar Tree also sells some of these admission tickets. I'm not sure what colors, but I did see them in the like party supply area. Okay, what I also did here is I also used my punch that also creates the one admission ticket. So if you don't have these tickets and you can't get a hold of them, you can always use the punch that creates the ticket and you can make your own. I also made some because I want to layer these tickets. So each embellishment is going to receive 2 little tickets. So I made, for example, these right here. I cut these out using my punch. Now this punch I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure they still have it, but you can always Google it and I'm sure you can find it. I'm pretty sure that's, you know, either Hobby Lobby online or even like Scrapbook.com might have these, okay? And then what I also did is I went ahead and I distressed the edges of my punch. I don't know if you can see there, but I did distress the edges of these punch that I did, okay? So that's basically all I did. Now what we're going to do is we're going to layer these tickets down. So here I have my admission, my ticket. And these are the ones that I originally punched out. I want to layer these so they could be kind of like in an angle like this one, okay? See how these are in an angle? I like that look. So I like to kind of add these in an angle. So here I have this one that I already glued down and I put it in an angle. I used double-sided tape for this particular project, okay? So on my tickets, I use double-sided foam tape that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to basically add this right over the other ticket that we have here, okay? And you can make a whole bunch of these like literally in no time. Now how I'm going to use these are going to be part of a cupcake topper, okay? But you can use these embellishments as, you know, however you want to use them. But I thought it would be fun to use as cupcake toppers. So this is the one that I did right now. This is already created. I did this earlier. This one I already glued down. And then let's put these two together. Again, double-sided tape on the back. And this is going to go basically on an angle, okay? Boom, just like that. And you're going to probably get something that looks like this. See that? Okay. How we're going to decorate these tickets, it's going to be very simple. I have these dimensional candy corns that I got at Michael's. I don't have any more of these left. I used all of them, but Michael does still sell this in the regular sticker section. And these are just very glittery candy corns. Okay, I'm gonna use those for this project, and I'm also going to use real candy corn. I thought that would be fun to use. I don't know, I just love playing around with like real like candy corn. So I'm going to use some real candy corn to add to this embellishment. Okay, so here we have our candy corn, and then this is the sticker candy corn. What I also did is I'm using these really tiny fun spider webs that I got at Target last year, and they look like this. I bought a whole bunch of these little mini spider webs, and I thought it would be fun to add to this project. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a spider web for every ticket that we create. Okay, and I'm just going to basically put the spider web right in the little corner of the ticket. You can choose whatever corner you want. It doesn't really matter. Whatever looks good to you, you can choose. And I'm going to just add a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to glue this down. Okay, so let's add hot glue. Let's see, so I'm going to add this basically like that. Okay, so a little bit of hot glue. I'm going to add this ticket like that. Okay, and you're going to get something like this. See that? How fun that looks? Alright, let's do that for the rest of the other embellishments. You really don't need a lot of hot glue for this particular part. Just a little bit. Because remember, it's going to gush out at the back. So, you don't need too much hot glue. Okay. Now, if you don't have these little mini spider webs, you can always add some doilies, okay? Or, worst come to worst, you can always add some cupcake liners, right? Because cupcake liners can also, you can also use them as part of this project. If in the event that you don't have something that looks like these little mini spider webs. Okay, so again, I don't want you to go out there and start buying these crazy supplies because you feel you need them. Just work with what you have at home. Okay, now that we have our little spider web all glued down, as you can see here. Okay, there you go. You see that? They're all there. We're going to add the candy corn. So here I don't have any more of these. I only have 2 of these left, okay? So what I did with this one is I added one candy corn facing this way, and I added another candy corn facing the other way. So I'm going to add this candy corn right on this area right here. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to add my candy corn right there. And I'm going to add the other one right there. Okay. Now, I'm going to add the real candy corns, which are like so much fun. I love this, and I'm going to add it right in the opposite side of the stick of the ticket. I love how this looks. I just love using real candies for my embellishments. I don't know why. I know it's weird, but I kind of do like using real candy. I'm gonna add 2 more candy corns to this one because I don't have the sparkly one, because again I finished the entire sticker pack, which I'm happy about because I have so many Halloween stickers, so I'm happy that I finished it. So I'm just gonna go back and add 2 more candy corns. I'm gonna add this one right here. So as you can see, you don't even need these stickers if you don't have them. You can actually use the real candy corn, okay? I think it's fun. And if you have a cupcake liner, if you have a cupcake liner, if you have the cupcake liner, if you have the mini ones, that will be the best ones to use for this project. But again, keep in mind, if you don't have the mini ones, then cut it in half and make it work, guys. Make it work with what you have. These will be fun to add to a cupcake that is actually candy corn inspired, right? I think it'll be super duper fun to do. And that's it. And that's how I create these embellishments. I mean, guys, super duper easy, but look how fun these look. I just love them. Look at that. They turned out so cute. Aren't they adorable? I absolutely, really love the real candy corn in this embellishment. That is like the top of the thing for me. I love it. It looks so creative. It looks so real. And it's just really fun. Fun little project to create. Okay, my loves? I hope you enjoy watching me make these adorable embellishments, and I hope that this gives you a lot of good ideas for your either Halloween party or maybe your gathering or any embellishments that you guys are creating. Okay, now one more thing before I finish this project. I also added some little tiny spider sequins right there. Now these spider sequins I've had for years, okay? So I have them here, and I basically just tucked in some spiders to my little embellishment, okay? Let me show you really quickly what I did here. Now, if you don't have these spiders or you don't have these little tiny sequins, don't worry about it. It's no big deal. As you can see, it looks already awesome without it, okay? But for those of us who might have something that looks like this, what I simply just did was I added a tiny little bit of hot glue to the back of my spider, and I very carefully tucked her in here. Okay, and she is adorable sticking out there. You see that? How cute is that, right? So let's do that for the rest of the embellishment. I have orange spider and I have a black spider. You can tuck it in different areas of the embellishment. It doesn't have to be in the corner. It could be really anywhere. Okay. Here I have another orange one. And I'm going to tuck this one right here. And that just really finishes off the embellishment, I guess you can say. And I have one more to go. Let's tuck this one right here. See that? And that kind of finishes off the super adorable, super cute, adorable project with the little spider sticking out. I thought it was super cute to add a little spider, and I have so many of them, so it makes sense. But you don't have to if you don't have them. Don't worry if you don't have it. It's no big deal, okay? Just work without it then if you don't have these spider sequins, okay? But I mean, as you can see there, it's adorable. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for returning to my channel, my hubbies. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments, and thank you so much for your lovely likes. I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and make sure you tag me in Instagram if you make these really fun embellishments. I love you and have a fantastic weekend. Bye.